I know that no one feels like leaving the warm bed at 5:30 a.m. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Fit Sense. Recently I have decided I would like to give you some more tips on time management, productivity and finding and making time for everything you want to do, because I believe that fitness and nutrition come hand in hand with all other aspects of our lives, and I thought it might be useful to share with you how I find time for all my obligations, projects and fun stuff in my life. Well, my secret for finding time for everything is not funny at all, but it works perfect, is to wake up before the rest of the world, or at least before 6 a.m. You might not believe me yet, but you can start waking up at 5:30.
No way.
Today I want to talk how I became a morning person and how you can make it too. Even if you don't believe me yet, you can start waking up at 5:30. But before we jump into this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, because I'm uploading multiple times a week and I really like hanging out with the comments right after I upload a new video, so you can find me there for a quick chat. And the very first advice is no surprise at all, you should go to bed early to get enough sleep. I'm not saying that you need to wake up early without getting enough sleep. I'm saying that you should go to bed earlier so you can get the most advantage of the night, because you know that the hours before midnight count as double hours of sleep than compared to those after midnight. So sleep is really important for your energy levels, productivity, for your decision making and motivation. So you really would like to get enough sleep. And if you would like to learn more about sleep and why sleep is so important, not only for your fitness and nutrition goals, but also for your overall success, you can find them in my channel. My second piece of advice is to leave your phone in another room, and this is one of the biggest digital steps you need to take before going to bed. You need to put your phone in another room. Best case scenario is to put it in the room where you're going to spend the morning for your morning routine. If you don't have a morning routine, I highly advise you to figure out a way how to develop one, to find the perfect morning routine for you. I'm going to film a video with morning routine ideas. But if you really would like to wake up and get out of the comfortable warm bed, you need to have your phone in another room so you can get up and turn the alarm off, and as soon as you do it, you can think to yourself, yes, I can make this. And right after you have turned the alarm off, please do not check your notifications. This is my third advice. As soon as you turn the alarm off, please make sure you don't check your notifications. The worst thing you can do is to dedicate your morning time to answering emails, to social media, television, news, because this is the time when you work only for you, and you'll be surprised how much creativity and how many ideas you get at 5 or 5:30 a.m. and this is really not the time to take care of other people. And because becoming a 5:30 a.m. morning person, it's really a big deal and it's not easy at first, you need to find some strategies that will keep you awake. So you're going to fight this habit, and I can advise you to start with water, coffee and shower. So when you wake up, just turn on the coffee machine, get right into the bathroom for a very quick shower, so when you go out of the bathroom the coffee is ready. Drink a huge glass of water, because your body needs hydration. Your engine is going to start working if you give it enough hydration, and as soon as you have your water, then coffee follows. And my last piece of advice is to really get excited about waking up at 5:30 a.m. Really get excited about becoming a morning person, because this is a time when you're going to work on the project you don't have time to work after work because you're too exhausted, or this is a time when you're going to journal, to read some books, to dedicate your time to self-development, to all your ideas, to write down your goals. You really should find your true why you're waking up at 5 or 5:30 a.m. because if you don't have a really strong why, you're not going to stick to this habit in the long term. You're going to wake up 2, 3, 4 times, because if you are waking up just to watch a movie or just to say that you have become a morning person, this is not going to work for you. You will know that you have found your true why when you get you started every morning, although your motivation has been depleted. This is all I would advise that you do to start your day at 5:30 a.m. If you have any additional tips, you can leave them in the comments below. And I also would like to know what makes you even consider the idea of becoming a morning person and waking up at 5:30 a.m. That's all for today, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it as always, and would love to see you in my next video, because you know it's gonna be super weird if I'm here and you're not. Bye.